You got it. Here's a voiceover. So first we're going to grab a angled eyebrow brush, get your developer mixed with your product, and now you're going to need a spoolie to actually brush your brows straight up before you begin applying any product to them whatsoever. Here I already mixed the developer with the actual cream dye, and I'm using this angled eyeliner brush because it applies very neatly and it allows me to keep a very light, neat hand as if I was doing a natural eyebrow tutorial. So yes, you are going to be doing your lines and your angles and pretty much situating your eyebrows in a manner that you would like them to be. And then you're going to have to wait 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the dye that you have purchased, to wait for it to actually take and be able to provide you with that tint. But other than that, it's pretty easy and it lasts typically around maybe about 4 to 7 days, if not longer. So good luck and comment down below